Are you ready, everyone? 3, 2, 1, magic. No, Gogo, that's not how animation works. Everyone Gogo thinks magic makes you an animator, but the real magic is in our fingers. Kids, if you don't have a ball, let's make one. Take some black clay, roll it out, and cut it into equal pieces to make tiny balls. Do the same with white clay. Now, here's the secret. Put one black ball in the center and surround it with 5 white balls. Repeat this until the whole surface is covered. Now, roll it gently between your palms until it's smooth. Remember, kids, if you move the ball too much, it will look like it's jumping. If you want it to walk smoothly, it needs to take baby steps. Okay, I'm gonna go grab some more colorful clay. Gogo, you take the rest of the photos. Remember, only baby steps. Gogo, I'm back. Wait, what is this apple doing here? Where's the ball? My artist friends, try making a small animation at home with whatever you have and send it to us at this email. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next episode with more cool stuff. Bye!